There's something about this place that has kind of kept me from getting old. I mean, I get up in the morning and I feel part of this place. Here it's just, there's so much around us. And the diversity of this place, I want to protect what we have here, but it's kind of an ongoing thing.
Mr. Morgan is definitely one of the landowners who I think everybody who gets a chance to work with him, it's an absolute pleasure to work with him. You can tell from the way he talks about his property, he has a vision for it, and that vision is very much in line with what NRCS likes to do, especially from the wetland easement perspective. He's wanting to maintain the area for wildlife habitat, and he wants to make sure that this area is kept protected, and that's exactly what the Wetland Reserve Easement Program is all about. The Wetland Reserve Easement Program is basically where NRCS works with private landowners to restore wetlands that have been degraded by agricultural production. We're working with landowners to primarily focus on restoring wetland hydrology and a lot of the conditions that will help wildlife use the area. It allows them to manage a property that NRCS has put a conservation easement on and has restored. For a landowner like Mr. Morgan, who's very interested in conservation, he wants to manage it for wildlife. NRCS is making a partnership with him that we're going to put an easement on the ground. We're going to ensure that nobody can come in and develop it. And we're also going to restore the area so that once NRCS's intervention is done, the area can be managed by Mr. Morgan for maximum wildlife habitat and maximum wetland functions and values.
Migratory birds we take it for granted, but it's a big thing, and this is part of their flyway. And we need to care for them and have them a place to roost during the time through here. And now that I'm kind of semi-retired, I'm going to try to put up more duck boxes. The wood duck is one of the most beautiful things we've got living. They're just gorgeous. They're native here, and I'd like to see them. And it goes for a lot of the other water birds, you know, anything we can do to encourage them. It just shows that the ecosystem is working.
The easement shows kind of a remarkable testament, if you will, to nature. I have not seen an area have as great a success when it comes to natural regeneration as this easement. Being so close to the Red River makes it extremely unpredictable, but nature has really taken a hold of the steering wheel, if you will, and all those cottonwoods, especially down by the river, are all natural regeneration. So to have that density and almost like a perfect planting, if you will, nature really has hit a home run.